With the onset of spring and wanting to move into an outdoor classroom, there's so many activities that we could be doing. So we're going to start off by doing one of the activities out of this Forest School Adventure book. So here we have some clay, we have some different natural objects that we've found around in the garden. We've gone on a bit of a treasure hunt, and we've got our rolling pin, and we're just going to make some fossils. We're going to do some simple impressions. So the way that looks is like this. So we can roll it into a nice ball. Get our rolling pin. So maybe we want to do a more elaborate one. And then you can think about whether you do mandalas, so how you layer it. So we might want to just put our little plants in there. So make like a mandala.